They drift slow between the earth and space, without a worry, without a place. The first drop splits on the ground. Reflections of the world scatter around. I wanted to catch it, to keep it from breaking, but I knew the inevitable was waiting. So I watch, I feel, I live, without aim. I look upward and let the rain fall over me, softening the pain. Let the tears flow, become one with the earth. Let me fade, if only for a moment's worth. A smile, salt on my tongue, while longing lingers as I dance among. The sky clears slowly, sunlight breaking the gray, dancing in the rain and strangely the ache.